Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process for your Asus Vivobook, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. 1. Power down and unplug. First, ensure that your laptop is completely turned off and unplugged from any power source. Disconnect any peripherals like USB drives or external keyboards. 2. Remove the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel of the laptop. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. After removing the screws, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips. 3. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector on the motherboard and carefully disconnect it. This is a crucial step to prevent any electrical shorts during the repair. 4. Access the screen assembly. Now, locate the screws that hold the screen assembly in place. These are typically found around the perimeter of the screen. Remove these screws and set them aside. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. 5. Remove the screen. Gently lift the screen from the assembly, taking care not to pull on any connected cables. If you find that the screen is still attached, look for any additional screws that may have been missed. 6. Disconnect the screen cable. Once the screen is loose, locate the display cable connector attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it by pulling the connector straight out, avoiding any twisting or bending. 7. Prepare the new screen. Take your new screen and connect it to the display cable. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Align the screen with the mounting points and carefully lay it back onto the assembly. 8. Reattach the screws. With the new screen in place, begin reattaching the screws that hold the screen assembly. Ensure each screw is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the screen. 9. Reconnect the battery. Now it's time to reconnect the battery. Ensure the connection is secure and properly seated before moving on. 10. Replace the back panel. Align the back panel over the laptop and press it back into place. Reinsert all screws that you had previously removed to secure the back panel. If at any point during this process you feel unsure or lack the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to make any calls or travel anywhere, making your repair experience much more convenient. Additionally, you'll receive a quote before any repair work is done. 11. Power up your laptop. Finally, plug your laptop back in and power it on. Check the new screen for functionality and ensure there are no dead pixels or display issues. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your Asus Vivobook. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.